Ozzy do our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to say hands up. Ozzy, Ozzy, hello, hello, here is Joe. Hands up. Hello, hello, Ozzy do deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Hands up. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
What are you doing?
Practicing?
Practicing?
Yes, I wanted to show you a card trick, and I had to practice because I wanted to be a really good card trick. Wait a minute. All of these cards are different. Now, pick one, but don't let me see. Any one you want.
This one.
Now, look at it.
Okay.
Okay, put it back anywhere in there. Was this your card?
Yes! You are good at card tricks, Joe.
Thank you. Now, do you have a delivery for me?
Yes. Here it is. All the details are on your device. Today, Joe, you will be delivering bin bags, an oil can, and a bucket and sponge to the bus depot. And remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you.
Hello, I'm Jack.
Jack and his mammy are waiting for you. He'll help you with your deliveries.
Great.
How did he do it?
Let's go. Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Who are you?
Jack.
And who are you?
Mummy.
Hello, Jack's mammy.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Robot.
Great. I'll wait here with you.
Let's love sign. Wait. Wait. You sign. Wait. Good. Wait.
Jack,
Yes.
I have some deliveries for the bus depot. Will you help me?
I help you.
Great, it's over there. Hello, I'm Joe, and I have some deliveries for you. This is Jack. He is helping me today.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Jack. Oh, I'm pleased to meet you.
Can you see?
It's nice to meet you too.
My bus is late. But come on in.
Okay.
Ah, so you want the deliveries to get the bus ready.
How did you know that?
Because I have deliveries for you.
My deliveries are bin bags, water, and oil.
You need to clean the bus.
Yeah, the bus is very untidy. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Let's love sign. Bus. Bus. You sign. Bus. Good. Bus.
Look at all of this rubbish.
Yeah.
Will you help me clean this up?
Yes.
Yes.
I have an idea. Wait here. Wait.
Hey.
I have deliveries. Hi, Jack. Can we go to town now?
No.
Why? There's no oil in the engine.
But I broke it.
Don't worry. Wait here.
We're gone.
Let's love sign. Be careful. Be careful. You sign. Be careful. Good. Be careful.
Okay.
Hey, Jack.
Go.
Oh, thank you, Jack.
Bye-bye.
Let's go, come on, Jack.
There's enough, yeah? Perfect. Good job. So, the bus is working now,
Yeah.
but we still have to wash the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes. Wait here. a bucket, and a sponge.
Oh,
Too small?
yeah, I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Jack.
Come on.
Thank you.
Come on.
Hello, how's it going?
Well, that was a good day. Time to go home.